In this video I'll be bringing to you guys this palette here. I know that this is Revolution Tammi palette, so I have not opened it before, but in this video I'm going to open it for you guys. This is it. Tammi eyeshadow palette. It came out new about 2 or 3 weeks ago, so I decided to share it with you guys. So this is how the inside looks like. Everything in this color is all about Carnival. All the names in this palette. So this green here is called Calypso, and this is Soca. This is Notting Hill, and Shortening. This last one here is Shortening, and this is Destiny, Jovet, Spice Land, Trini, Pink Pata, Mars, Gellies, Bacchanal. This is Bacchanal. This is Navy, and this is definitely. This is St. Catherine, and this is Jab Jab. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys to see. This is the. So we're gonna start with Calypsis. Here is Calypsis. So Calypsis is so pigmented, and this is a shimmer. This is Soca here. This is Notting Hill, and I'm gonna swatch it for you guys here. I love this spice room so much. Like, this spice room is life. Yeah, so I'm gonna swatch it here. You see that? See how popping that color is. Wow, this is pigmented, girl. So you guys, this is greens, and we're gonna add it here. You see that? This is Shortening, so I'm gonna put it here again. Wow, palette. This is a Destiny. So the Destiny, I'm gonna add it here again. Oh my goodness, these colors are live. Like, guys, these colors are. Watch closely to these colors. You see that these colors are for Carnival colors. They are all Carnival colors, because if you want to go to a Carnival occasion, you can. These colors are. The first color I'm gonna apply is this color here. Again, I'm gonna apply this color here. Yeah. I'll go back again and apply a little bit of this color here. Like this video. By the time we are done with all these colors, they will know that we are ready to go to the Carnival. I'll go now and cut my crease, then I'll be right back. So I'm back. So guys, see these colors here? Yeah, so I'm going over here to look for Carnival. Carnival needs pop-up colors. Guys, I'm done applying this eye look here. So I'll go back to finish up the look, then I'll come back and show you guys the final looks. Then we will discuss about the palette. If it's worth buying for, in this video, you are going to know all you need to know about this Tammi palette, okay? So guys, I'm back again. So this is the final look for this tutorial. Like, guys, I love this popping color so much. This palette is gorgeous. So over to the palette, we are going to talk about the eyeshadow palette. With this palette here, you can create any look you want, both in Carnival occasion. It all depends. Everything. Why I love this palette is that the colors that makes me love the palette. So here are my thoughts. If you have any intention on getting this palette here, guys, I will say the palette is good, it's beautiful, it has a gorgeous colors, and I love it, and you will also love it. Tammi, you did a good job in this palette. So guys, I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and make sure you check out my other videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.